All right, so we're about to jump on a real quick back-end support call with one of our investment partners. Now, part of our partnership program is we really spend the time to groom up and make sure that our partners have the tools that they need to win. So when it comes down to needing help underwriting a deal and having leverage and an angle to come in with negotiations, we like to take that extra time to really give them the confidence stepping into the negotiations. So I'm about to give my buddy James a call back so we can walk through this process and just put eyes real quickly on one of these deals as we piece it together and give him the tools to step in there. So let's go ahead and jump in. That year built is going to kill it.
What year is it? I didn't try.
56.
1956?
Yeah, so the fact that it is not brick or block construction,
Okay, I got you.
they're gonna hammer us. Now I could submit this to one fund, but they may not come in super competitive.
Okay.
It's worth a shot if you wanna swing in on it.
What should I try to ask for? Like what? Low, around 2 what?
Bro, I say go for will it be delivered vacant or tenant occupied?
It's vacant because like the tenant's moving out.
All right.
It's vacant.
Tell them that you could do 240 cash.
240 cash?
And see what they say from there. If they play hardball and they want a lot more money, then I would suggest coming in with a strategy. Hey, I don't have approval to go up quite that high, but what I can do is let me go ahead and get off the phone. I can call the underwriting department or call my manager and let me see if I can fight for you to get you a higher price. If I'm able to lock this in, if I'm able to get them to meet us at a number that works on your end, is that something that you're ready and able to make it work today? You ready to sign today? That would be my strategy going into this one.
Okay.
But yeah, start your negotiations around 230 to 240.
Okay, no problem. And the other one is 163
Okay.
E as an East.
Yep.
25th Street, West Palm Beach, 33404.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, this is a nice neighborhood on the beach, man, on the east side. And the guy's only selling it because he needs the profit. Only because he needs the cash.
Okay.
To build like 3 houses next to each other. Can you believe it?
Wow.
Yeah. So correct. So he's like, you don't need the money. You just need all 3 houses to be next to each other. And this one maybe like 3 houses down.
Okay.
It is looking like there's a tenant in there, which is month to month. He said we can keep the tenant out or we can keep the tenant in for rental.
Okay.
And, it's, I'm saying, like, it's fine.
Schools are
And the
rough.
is fine on it,
Yeah. Single family. It doesn't show us what year it was built.
Oh, it doesn't?
Yeah, let me pull it up on another resource real quick. Okay. He bought that thing at 80 G's in 2016, bro.
He did?
Yep.
He's an investor money maker, man.
Says it was built in 2000. That surprises me. House doesn't look like a 2000 built.
I'm gonna drive. Let me see. I'm gonna be in the neighborhood on Friday. You know what I'm saying? I really want to go check it out.
Sweet. That's what's up.
It's in West Palm Beach.
Okay, so this one, what does he want on this one?
265. He just want to pay. Like you said, it's not. Well, like it's not about the money. He just want the money. To finish the. To more like to build another house next to each other.
Okay.
How the comps looking versus the 294 versus what he's asking for?
I would say top of market, it might trade for a ballpark of close to 300. A lot of the comps reported on Zillow were probably older comps. Yeah, I say go for that one, bro. It looks like a good one.
Yeah, because if I enter 3, man, trust me, down here in Florida,
Yep.
you can't find no 3s under 300, man, for real. And I was surprised.
Yeah.
I guess you want to sell it, I'm saying, like just to cash out and, I'm saying, like kind of build what he wants.
Yeah, lock that sucker up. I say make a move on that one because we got 2 funds.
Okay.
We got 2 funds that'll move in that area for sure.
Okay. All right, no problem. I'll keep you posted.
Awesome, bro. Sounds like a plan.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome, my brother. Talk to you soon. All right, peace. It's one of our partners. We get a call from James like 2 or 3 times a day, but he's hungry, right? He's out there, he's hunting, he's actively searching for properties. His primary strategy is calling these for sale by owners on Zillow, building rapport, right, and negotiating price, because we know that we have these retail hedge funds that'll pay right around retail value, sometimes slightly above. So if he can come in with a good strategy and get this thing at a good acquisition price, then we can pull out some good spreads when it comes to the assignments. And that's really the focus of our team over the past month, has been really developing a client-facing business. Meaning, yes, we're still in the wholesale real estate industry. Yes, we're still heavily involved in our own marketing, client acquisitions, all that stuff. But we've started to develop and morph into more of a dispositions company because of the leverage and the strength of some of our buyers. I mean, if you think about it, selling a house for 100% ARV it's unheard of, right? If you told me that we could be in a position last year where we can leverage buyers that are paying this amount of money, I would have told you you're absolutely crazy. But it really just has changed the game, seeing what's happening with the economy, post-COVID, the amount of money that's floating around. A lot of these institutional buyers are just cleaning house, right? So again, our focus has been, hey, how can we train and equip our investing partners to give them the tools that they need to win, have a weekly strategy call, give them, back-end systems, trainings, help them to structure and vertically integrate their business from the back end, and then give them that upfront client support whenever they have deals that they're actively pursuing. That way we can really help them facilitate from step A to Z. And hey, if you need help underwriting, reach out to myself or our team. We got a full team of underwriters that are plugging away the numbers and analyzing deals every single day. We've sent so many of these deals out that we have a pretty good understanding as far as what these buyers are willing to pay for these houses. So it really has been, it's been fun, but it's been interesting developing a client partnership facing business where our traditional structure's always been direct to seller, right? But again, we see the opportunity in empowering other people and really investing in those relationships, spending extra time and helping people to really get the tools, the systems, and the strategies that they need to scale. So over the next few months, we're gonna focus, especially in this winter season. I mean, December's, when you look across the board, usually December is one of the slowest months in any type of real estate across the country. So it gives us the time to really put our heads down where we can form a framework and we can get things ready for the Inner Circle community when we're going to be launching our Inner Circle membership program come the beginning of the year, right? This is going to be for beginner, intermediate, and even advanced investors where we can come together as a community. We'll have a safe place that we can all grow. We can ask questions. We'll have weekly calls, right? But we're really taking the time to invest in our people, giving you access to discounted skip tracing, giving you access to the Wholesaling 101 course, giving you back-end access to our private Facebook group, and our weekly strategy calls, right? At the end of the day, proximity is power. So getting at the table, getting in the room with other investors that are already out there making moves, getting in the trenches, shooting out offers, right? And then having a community where we can all come together and scale, right? So look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you can get updated anytime that we have new videos coming out. As we step into the end of the year, have the mentality that how you end this season will reflect how the next one begins. So make sure that you finish strong, right? Anything that you've started, put in that extra effort to get that to the finish line so that your team, so that your preparation can be in a spot where you can really focus on scaling and elevating not only your mindset, but your business, right? You first work on the space in between your two ears, and once you really develop the power, the mentality, and the perseverance to never give up, it's going to help you to overflow all of those principles, all of those habits and patterns into your business, and you can really put the foundation in place to help you build a structure that's going to stand the test of time. So get out there, guys, stay consistent, and I will see you on the other side.